So you got declined for an SBA loan, right? So don't worry about that. You got some other options that are available if you've been declined for an SBA loan. SBA loans are popular and they often come with very favorable terms. Problem is that not every business is going to qualify for a myriad of reasons, right? So, don't worry, there are other options available. So let's take a quick look at those. So traditional bank loans. Although you were declined for an SBA loan, you can still apply for and possibly get approved for a traditional or conventional loan from a regular, bank or financial institution, right? These are your local branches you might want to go in and talk to. They can offer term loans, they can offer lines of credit, even commercial real estate loans. And so that's an option. Alternative lenders. So online lenders or fintech, as you're probably aware, are non-bank institutions that offer different types of loans. Some of them with faster approval processes and fewer requirements than traditional banks. Somewhere where you're going to get an easier opportunity to acquire some financing. Equipment financing. So if you need funds to purchase equipment, you can apply for equipment financing. This is typically done at the location where you're buying the equipment. Now, this option allows you to borrow money specifically for equipment purchases, using the equipment itself as collateral for the loan. All right, so anytime you've got collateral involved, it reduces the risk to the lender, therefore getting you better terms. Invoice factoring is another option. If your business has outstanding invoices, this option involves selling your unpaid invoices to a factoring company or receiving an advance based on the value of your outstanding invoices. Cash advance, right? A merchant cash advance is, provides an upfront sum of money in exchange for a percentage of your future sales, right? So you trade some cash today for future of your receivables that's coming in over time. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo allow you to raise funds from the public, offering rewards or equity in exchange for their financial support. You've got angel investors and venture capitalists. They're a little different, but if you have a high growth potential business, you can consider seeking funding from an angel investor or from a venture capitalist. Now again, these are for high growth businesses. These guys want to see the ability to make big money over time, right? And these investors typically provide capital in exchange for equity in your business. The last but not least, the one I dislike the most when it comes to business, but personal loans or credit cards, well, it's not an ideal situation, okay? In some cases, you can use personal loans or credit cards to finance your business needs. You've got to be careful and you'd have to talk to your lawyer about the impacts that using your personal money can cause when you mix that with the business. The other thing you have available is going to be grants. You can find grants in different locations. There's a lot of grants. A lot of times, we talked about one from Beyonce being given out. They're available and they're always available. It's not like just a certain time of year. Either way, those are some of the ways that you can raise capital even if you've been declined for an SBA loan. And just because you've been declined for the SBA loan doesn't mean that you're not going to be able to get an SBA loan in the future. All it is we just got to fix you up a little bit, right? Get you ready. And that's pretty much what it boils down to. So in the meantime, get out there, make it a great day. Good luck.